In the city of Pune, if you want to get some kind of inspiration, just step into where I am, in the house of the beautiful Mona Pandey, the lady who set up Millennium Travels, 79 years of age soon, who's bungee jumped in her 70s, who's done the Antarctica, the Drake Passage as they call it. She's unstoppable, unapologetic and totally unconventional. Your journey started, Mona, in the 80s.
You know, after I got married, for a long time, in fact, I did everything that could be done from the house. I wanted to spend time with the kids, so much so that every day as a mom, I have carried lunch to them and back. You know, I was from Pune, but living in Bombay, and I was called Luna Wali Mona from Pune.
And then you stepped into this role of being an entrepreneur. What led you into this, Mona?
I love talking,
Yes.
and I love people,
Yes.
and I love doing things for people. So these three got to be better, but travels.
Yeah. At your age, you've done adventure sports, which is not soft adventure.
No.
Where people like us might think bungee jump karo, skydiving karo, nahi karo. Your journey of life over the 80s, 90s, 2000s and now 2020 beyond. Is there a certain pattern that you've seen that's changed?
As far as ticketing is concerned, yes, people keep checking online, then checking with you. See, when things are good and you do things online, it's all good, you've got a good price, you're very happy. But if things go wrong, then they realized that there's no human being to talk to.
We're going to take Mona on a different route with a little bit of rapid fire bungee jump.
Okay.
Mona, are you ready for this? Okay, so are you a mountains or a beach person?
Mountains.
Mountains, luxury travel or backpacking?
Luxury travel.
Okay. While the window seat or the aisle seat? Me too. One destination that truly stole your heart forever?
That's a little difficult, but anyway, one of the many, I think, is South America.
A place that surprised you the most?
Iran.
A hidden gem in India that you think every traveler must go explore?
Hampi.
One destination which is still on your bucket list?
Patagonia.
And at this very special moment, I would like to say, actor Mahmood Kabul, thank you. And as you said, Pranav Kapadia is very dear to you.
Thank you very much, Pranav, for sponsoring this. It was extremely nice of you. And of course, I know you from a long time myself.
Oh, yeah, he's a thorough professional.
Really.
And that's what I really appreciate. So, ladies and gentlemen, watch us, powerful women like her give us a lot of strength within to say hello to life. Thank you.